In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide pages in a Canva website. Before we jump in, it's important to understand what hiding a page means inside Canva. Unlike traditional website builders where you can remove a page from the navigation but keep it live, Canva's current system treats hiding as an editor-only convenience. It helps you clean up your workspace and focus on the pages you're designing. But it doesn't reliably keep a page published and reachable. In some cases, a page you hide in the editor can lose its public URL after publishing and return a 404 error. So think of this as an organizational tool rather than a way to manage live site visibility. Let's walk through the process. Start by opening your Canva website project in the editor. On the left, you'll see your list of page thumbnails. Click the thumbnail for the page you want to hide so it's selected. Next, look for the eye icon or a hide page option associated with that thumbnail. Click it to hide the page. You'll notice the page disappears from the page list in the editor. That's your visual confirmation that it's hidden from your design view. What does this change mean for your website visitors? Because this feature is editor-focused, the hidden page may not function as a normal page on the published site. If you or someone else tries to visit its previous URL, it might not load and could show a 404 error. That's why you shouldn't rely on this method to keep a page live but off the menu. Canva doesn't currently support that traditional hide from navigation while still published setup. To see how your site behaves with this change, click Preview in the top right of the editor. The preview helps you experience the flow as a visitor might, so you can confirm that your main pages still connect as expected and that the hidden page no longer clutters your workspace. Remember, Preview is a quick check of the browsing experience, not a guarantee that a hidden page remains accessible by URL after publishing. To recap, use the Hide feature when you want a cleaner editor view or when you're experimenting with alternate layouts inside your project. Just keep in mind the limitation. Hiding a page is not a way to quietly keep it live in the background. If you need a page to remain publicly accessible, avoid hiding it in the editor. With that understanding, you can keep your Canva workspace tidy without unintentionally breaking access to important content.